welcome back to this channel. In this video, we continue to finish the chapter 3.3 Electrolytic cell, at where we need to know what is the Faraday first law, and then we apply it in the calculation and help us to determine the mass of the product produced, the charge, the time, and also maybe the ampere, the electric current, or even we also can to determine the Faraday's constant. So Faraday first law let us know that mass of the product formed or the reactant consumed at the electrode is proportional to the amount of the electricity. So here the mass of the product represented by the symbol of small m, proportional with the symbol of this, and the amount of electricity that we use here is the Q, capital Q. So what is the Q stand for? Basically, the Q is the electric charge in coulombs in the unit of coulomb. M is the mass of the substance discharged or the substance formed. So then we going to continue with that. How we can determine the Q? Okay, Q, the formula for Q is Q equal to IT. So what is the I? I is stand for the current in the ampere, and T is the time. That alert here must be in the unit of second. Then the Faraday constant is the charge on 1 mole of electron. So since here we have the terms constant, so that means the value is fixed, which is equal to 965,000 coulomb. So just I'll say that Faraday constant is the charge on 1 mole of electron. So you can use this 1 Faraday equal to 965,000 coulomb, and then it is equal to the charge carried by 1 mole of electrons. Now let's look at the working step if involve the quantitative part of the electrolysis. First, we always have to write down the half-cell equation. So when you want to write down the half-cell equation, please alert that the physical state. Okay. So if the question gives us that the electrolyte is molten, so the physical state is liquid. If they say that is solution, then the physical state will be aqueous. Step number 2, based on the equation, then you will have the idea there's how many more of electron involved. Let's say we have 2 more of electron involved, means that it will equal to 2 Faraday. Next, we also can determine the Q equal to IT. Okay, so the information normally will be given in the question. If it is not given in the question, means that question asks us to look for the ampere or also the time. Then next, by comparing, we will going to determine the number of mole of substance formed or consumed. Then after we get the number of mole of the substance, basically we can determine the mass or the volume that required in the questions.